Good afternoon, B1 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 12th of August 2020. So we're almost done. And this coming Friday will be our last day, and I'm very excited to see you all. It's going to be our potluck day, right? So again, but since I am sorry that we cannot finish everything on the book, but I will try to at least finish everything on our activity book. Okay, so today we're going to discuss and talk about our learner's book, and it's going to be on pages 53 and 54. And for your assignment, yes, you still have an assignment. It's going to be assignment page 26 of your activity book. So this is about hearing sound. So if you get your book, this is how it looks like, right? Like this one. Hearing sound, page 26, yes. So this is the picture. So what you're going to do is you are just going to color the things that you think are sound sources, like the beginning or where the source comes from, right? So it's very easy because you just have to color the things that you think that makes sound. All right. So again, our objective for today is I can read and understand the writings in my learner's book, pages 53, 54. So we're just going to discuss and go through whatever is in that page, right? Okay. So here. So again, last time you showed this one, right? So hearing sounds. So on this page, listening to sound. Buddy, his name is Buddy. Buddy is using his ears to listen. Again, we use our ears to listen, right? The sounds. What can he hear? So there are people here talking, someone listening to computer, maybe playing sound, and here there's a radio. What will you hear if you do this? If you close your eyes, if you are Buddy, what do you think you will hear? You close your, like for now, I hear my son playing or watching Happy Kids on YouTube. It's too loud, right? So maybe you can hear it too in the background. So what if you are Fuddy? If you were Fuddy, you will hear this kid listening to the music or video in the computer. You will hear also the people talking and also this radio. So you can do this at home as an experiment. So you can just close your eyes, sit down, take a deep breath, and then you will hear a lot of sounds or noises around you, right? And where do the sounds come from? The sound comes from this guy, people talking, and the radio. So, what have you learned? People, animals, and other things make sound. Remember in the video I showed you what is sound? You will hear that sounds are used to communicate, like to say hello to your friends, and when some animals, like when they howl, like oh, it says something like it could be saying that this is my territory, or like they are trying to make other animals, right? Okay, so now let's go to page 54. Our ears. We hear things, anything using our ears, right? Not our eyes, not our nose, not our mouth, not our hands, or not our tongue. So here is one of our senses. So we have 5 senses: sense of touch, our hands, sense of smelling, our nose, sense of hearing, our ears, sense of taste, our tongue, and sense of sight, our eyes. So we hear sounds with our ears. Sometimes we hear loud sound, sometimes we hear quiet sound, and sometimes we hear soft sound. What are these people doing? What do they have on their ears? So this guy had a headphone, like teacher. So whenever he uses the drill, it's not too loud, right? A drill is used to like make hole on the wall. It's really noisy and it hurts to the ear. That's why this guy has a headphone on his ear. And this girl also another type of headphone. So she is listening to music. So again, for today's assignment, you're just going to answer page 26 of your book, and all you need to do is just, sorry, you just have to color the sound sources, where the sound comes from. Okay, goodbye. And now where's my star? I have here the same star I gave you last time. Ta-da! Surprise star. Bye-bye.